Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bruno from RVing TV. Today I thought I'd bring you a little product video. Now, a company called Gidrox reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in taking a look at their 12-volt all-in-one PTC air conditioner and heater. Yes, that's a mouthful. PTC is simply the way it actually creates heat and how it self-regulates itself. So I said to them, yes, I was interested because I looked at their specs, the product, and it was interesting. And I thought, you know what, I'll be able to do some future videos on this, putting this in actually a special build that I'm going to do. That's all I'm going to give you as a little teaser. Now, what is this that I'm leaning on here? This is a 10,000 BTU air conditioner with a 4,500 BTU heater. It's one of 3 models that Gidrox offers. It's 12 volts, so you can run it directly off your battery bank. And Gidrox says if you have a 400 amp hour battery bank in your unit, this will run easily all night. What's also nice is if you're a DIYer and you're looking to replace your current air conditioner, which likely is a 110 volt air conditioner, this is only 54 pounds. So it's very easy to lift and maneuver. You don't need to have 2 guys on the roof to put it in place. You'll need 2 guys to lift it to the roof for safety, but 1 person can actually manage to move it around. It comes really well packaged, gets delivered to your house. I'll put some links below of where you can buy it on Amazon, both on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. They are affiliate links, so if you use them, it helps support the channel, but costs you absolutely nothing. Amazon pays us a small fee from their end, so it costs you nothing. So I'll say thank you for supporting the channel if you use those links. I did make some notes because there's a number of great features, and I don't like to script my videos. I like to do them off the cuff, and that way you can see me, the natural me. I'm not playing up for the camera. So 12 volt air conditioner uses 60% less power than 110 volt AC. Also, where is it good? It can be used in a variety of units. So if you're doing a DIY van build, great spot to use something like this. Did you have 110 volt AC crap out on your unit, on your RV? You could replace it with a unit like this. It's also great for units that you're going to do a lot of off-grid living, a lot of boondocking, because you don't need to have the inverter, that generator. As long as you've got your battery banks and a way to charge it, off you go. And as I mentioned, Gidrox says 400 amp hours of battery will easily run this all night long. It runs 3 different modes: a turbo mode, a sleep mode, and an eco mode. Now, sleep mode is going to be the quietest, rated at 40 decibels. So for those of you like my wife that, you know, every little noise at night will wake her up, this will help her sleep better. And I'm going to be a great husband for that. So this will put out 270 CFMs of airflow to quickly cool your unit in that turbo mode. Also, it fits into traditional openings. It's designed to fit in a 14 by 14 opening, which is found on every traditional RV. Ideally, the roof thickness should be between 1.5 to 3.5 inches. So for you motorhome guys that may have that 4.5 to 5.5 inch roof, if you have that better build, sorry guys, you can't use this. And likely it wouldn't be good for you because of its BTU rating. Now, that means where would you use it? Where would I recommend you use it? I would use this in a DIY van conversion. I'd use it to replace a unit in a B plus or a C class motorhome. I'd also use it in the travel trailers, typically ranging 18 to 26 feet based on the BTU ratings that this has, which I'm going to tell you in a moment. Also, you could use it in a large fifth wheel, not for the main living area, but this would be a great alternative for that bedroom AC. So many fifth wheels have a simple vent there that opens, not even a max air fan. And I know I've seen units where I've said, wow, it would be great to have a bedroom unit, but do you want to start ripping ceilings down or opening up walls to run cables? Now you don't have to. You could use this unit in the bedroom and be able now in that Walmart parking lot, that truck parking or off-grid, run this all night and stay nice and comfortable in the bedroom because it's big enough to cool that unit. So how big is it? Well, Gidrox builds 3 units. The unit that I have here that they sent me is, excuse me, is a 10,000 BTU unit with 4,500 BTUs of heating. So 10,000 of cooling, 4,500 of heating. You can also get a unit that is 12,000 BTUs of air conditioning, 9,000 BTUs of heating. And if you don't need the heating because you never plan to use it in the colder weather, they have a 10,000 BTU air conditioning only unit, which is also going to save you a few dollars on your budget. The unit weighs in at 54 pounds. I mentioned has the 3 modes, turbo, eco, and sleep. It can run off of a remote control that you get with a wall mount. You can run it directly off your control panel, which is mounted to the unit, or you can run it off a phone app, so you don't even have to get out of your chair if you're just chilling, watching a movie, or if you're in bed sleeping and you want to turn it up or turn it down, change modes. You can all do that through a phone app at your fingertips. Now, this also supports if you're replacing an existing unit, maybe it's 110. And as I mentioned, 12 volts, definitely the way to go these days. You can actually run the cabling externally. It comes with 6-gauge wire with a fuse already built in for you. The cable's already wrapped and has the connections already attached. So you can take this wire because it's already wrapped, run it externally on your RV down to your batteries. Now you'll get a full kit that gets delivered to your house. You're going to have, as I mentioned, the cable. You're going to get your foam gasket to be able to set it down on the roof. You have your inner frame that attaches to hold the unit to your unit. You're going to get some extra foam blocks, and then you're going to get your interior decorative piece that has your control panel built in and your air vents that can be adjusted and moved around. So everything comes in the kit that you're going to need to install it. What are the advantages of this unit? Easy DIY to replace a 110 unit in your unit. Use it for a DIY build. Great for smaller units, low energy consumption, 12 volt to run off your batteries. As I mentioned, great for off-grid boondocking, or if you're traveling long distances and you don't want to fire up a generator, now you can stay cool in the hot weather. What are the disadvantages? Because I want to give you honest opinions of what I think. Well, they're limited. Biggest disadvantage, because it's 10,000 BTUs, you're going to be limited on some units. You can't use it on bigger fifth wheels other than that bedroom scenario. Not really meant for A-class motorhomes because you need more cooling power and multiple units. And they have built-in generators anyways. So it's designed for smaller units if that's really a negative. your travel trailers, your van conversions, your C-Class motorhomes. But that's a lot of units, even though they're disadvantages. And I guess the other disadvantage, which I think is outweighed by an advantage, but the other disadvantage, you might have to run your cables externally over your unit. So you may not like the look of that. You've got to run it down the side to the batteries. That is technically a negative. But I believe the positive of now being able to have a unit to boondock with or go off grid outweighs having those cables there if you took a simple installation. That's basically about it on this. I wanted to do a short video to introduce you to this in case you're thinking of replacing a unit or maybe doing an RV build of your own. Please let me know your comments below. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate any feedback, and I appreciate if you subscribe and like it. It helps us grow the channel. Thanks. Check back for more videos on some great products. And as always, my walkthroughs to bring you new products that are entering the RV industry for vans and C-classes, A-class motorhomes, travel trailers, etc. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you back at the channel soon. Take care.